Atos Group currently operates 19,000 autonomous AI agents across 54 countries. Imagine trying to oversee an entire stadium filled with invisible human workers, all making independent decisions simultaneously. The logistical challenge is staggering. We have moved past the phase of chatbots patiently waiting for a human prompt. These are agents designed to act on their own. These long-running agents execute complex, multi-step processes across finance, human resources, and software delivery without continuous human oversight. Spinning up a single AI agent takes minutes. Ensuring thousands of them behave according to corporate policy is entirely different. Deploying this kind of intelligence at scale without a central governance mechanism introduces a severe operational vulnerability. When organizations scale these tools without an underlying management system, specific points of failure emerge. First, compute costs spiral out of control. Without efficient model routing, duplicate efforts drain resources rapidly. Second, agents begin acting on stale or fabricated data, executing real-world tasks based on unverified information. Third, security protocols collapse under excessive access. An unsupervised agent might easily pull a highly confidential HR file simply because it was not explicitly blocked. Fourth, accountability vanishes. When an autonomous system makes a critical error in a live environment, tracing the fault back to a human supervisor becomes impossible. Under these conditions, unmanaged AI ceases to be a productivity tool. It becomes a massive liability that requires immediate architectural intervention. The solution is a unified, hidden operating system. The first layer enforces identity and least privilege permissions, granting agents only the exact access needed. The second layer grounds them strictly in verified internal business truth, rather than scraping the open web. This architecture is not theoretical. These systems are running live right now, producing measurable results. Banco Popular Dominicano deployed a governed agentic ecosystem to move from sample-based reviews to continuous supervision of their entire operational risk universe. Their agents now process 80,000 documents every week, maintaining a 98% methodological accuracy. Meanwhile, the semiconductor manufacturer ASM uses secure agents to compress cybersecurity incident investigations from 25 minutes down to 8, saving their teams hundreds of hours. Rigid enterprise-grade governance does not restrict output. It is the precise mechanism that allows massive scale to function safely. Managing AI costs requires a usage-driven economic model, shifting enterprises entirely away from the predictable fixed software licenses of the past. This requires an optimized model router that can observe and fluidly manage compute capacity across the entire enterprise. The system automatically sends simple requests to highly efficient, low-cost models, reserving expensive, high-powered compute strictly for complex reasoning. Without granular visibility into every single token being spent, governing the financial cost of autonomous AI is mathematically impossible. All of this underlying technology forces a direct question. What does this operating system mean for the people actually working inside these companies? Information technology and security leaders must now manage thousands of AI identities right alongside human identities, holding both to the exact same trust framework. For the everyday employee, the role shifts entirely. They transition away from repetitive task execution to directing, evaluating, and delegating long-running workflows. Every action an agent takes generates trajectory data and human feedback, which then flows continuously back into the operating system. This closed loop protects intellectual property. As the system runs, the unique operational intelligence of the enterprise continuously compounds internally. Ernst & Young is already proving this scale, deploying this human-AI integration across a global workforce of 400,000 people. The organizations that succeed will not be the ones with the flashiest artificial intelligence demos. They will be the ones that govern, secure, and manage AI work just as confidently as they manage human work.